Standard 5th Maths, Chapter 3, Addition and Subtraction, Problem Set 9. Solve the following problems. So, first question, in a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? So, here what they have asked us, यहाँ पे हमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि इलेक्शन हुआ है कहीं पे, वहाँ पे इतनी औरतों और इतने मेल, फीमेल और मेल ने वोट किया, अपना वोट दिया, तो कितने लोगों ने टोटल वोट किया है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो वी जस्ट हैव टू ऐड देम. वोट कास्ट बाय वुमेन and votes cast by men. So women was 13, 47 and 48 and men were 14,29,638. Now what we have to do? We want to know how many altogether. So total vote. So that means total votes polled. So let's see, we have to do addition. So 8 plus 8. See, always keep in mind, if you want your answer to be correct, place the numbers before only. Number को number के नीचे ही लगाना. For example, this is 452 and you have to add 300, so you added like this. Okay, so you will do wrong, you will add like this, 0 plus 1 1 2 5 3, so ये wrong हो जाएगा. So always put like this. If this is your number, so other number should be like this. ये एकदम number के नीचे number, so then your answer will be correct. Now see, these numbers are straight, so there is no chance of getting wrong. 8 plus 8, 16. So whenever you get 2-digit number 16, so the last one you write here and this one we borrow beside. So this one comes here. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Then 0 plus 6, 6, 7 plus 9, 16. So 1 carry, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 and then 2. So this is the total vote cast. Okay. Second sums. What is the sum of the largest and smallest 6-digit number? Now see, largest number and smallest. See, we have 0 to 9. These are the digits 0 to 9. हमारे पास सिर्फ 0 to 9 ये 10 digits है. So इसमें से smallest 0 तो value नहीं होता ना when it is single. So smallest number is what? 1 and largest number is what? 9. So here what they have asked, 6 digit, उनको 6 digit में चाहिए smallest and largest. So 6 digit यानी you need tens, 100, 1000, 1 2 3 4 5, 10,000 and lakh, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, 6 digit. Now largest क्या हुआ? 9 9 9 9 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, अगर इसमें एक भी बढ़ा दो तो वो 10 लाख में चला जाएगा. तो ये हो गया largest. Now smallest 6-digit number. So सबसे छोटा 0 वाला ही होगा सबसे छोटा. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. So now what we have to do? We have to add them. So largest 6-digit number was 9,99,999 and then 1 lakh. So we just have to add them. So 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 9 and 9 plus 1 10. So So we got 10,99,999. This is the sum. Okay. Surekha Tai bought a tractor for 8,07,957 and a thresher for 32,609. How much money did she spend all together? Okay. सो सुरेखा ताई जो है उन्होंने अपने खेती बाड़ी के लिए ट्रैक्टर ख़रीदा और थ्रेशर मतलब वो सब काटने के लिए, तो ये उन्होंने ख़रीदा। तो टोटल इतना मनी उन्होंने स्पेंड किया, तो कितना मनी स्पेंड किया? सो प्राइस ऑफ ट्रैक्टर एंड प्राइस ऑफ thresher. So how much total money she has spent? So total money spent. So 9 plus 7, 16, 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 carry, 3 plus 1. See, 0 will be 3. So 3 plus 1, 4 and 8. So total money she spent was 8,40,566. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of clothes last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production for the 2 years? So, clothes produced last year and clothes produced this year total प्रोडक्शन। सी उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि पिछले साल इतना कपड़े बनाए थे एक टेक्सटाइल मिल में और इस साल इतना बनाया है, तो टोटल कितने कपड़े अब तक बन चुके हैं? सो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट। So 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 4 yeah, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry 4 plus 7 equals to 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry, 2, 3, 4, so 40,71,994. This much meter of clothes was produced in all. Fifth sums, if the government gave 34,62,950 worth of computers and 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the schools, what is the total amount it spent on the equipment? सो सी इतना गवर्नमेंट ने कंप्यूटर में खर्च किया और इतना टीवी में स्कूल्स के लिए, तो टोटल कितने खर्च किए? सो अमाउंट स्पेंट फॉर कंप्यूटर एंड अमाउंट स्पेंट फॉर TV set. So total amount spent. So let's add 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15, 1 carry, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3. So total government spent total 37,000 lakh 89,528 in all. Okay.